In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs for Contextual Copilot in Microsoft Edge. This is a great way to enhance your browsing experience by giving your Copilot more information to work with, thus enabling it to provide you with more accurate and helpful suggestions. Let's dive right in and get started step by step. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge on your device. If you're not familiar with Edge, it's Microsoft's web browser that's packed with features to improve your internet experience, including the ability to work with a Copilot. But before we get ahead of ourselves, ensure that Copilot is indeed enabled in Edge. You'll typically find the Copilot feature in most versions of Edge, but double check to be certain, as this will be essential for today's task. Now, let's get to the exciting part. In the top right corner of Edge, you'll notice the Copilot icon. It looks like a little assistant ready to spring into action. Click on this Copilot icon to activate it. Once you do, you'll be presented with several options to enhance your Copilot's capabilities. One of these options is crucial for our objective today. You're going to want to look out for a button that says plus add tab, or depending on your version, it might read add context. Click on this button, and voila, you've just added the current web page as a reference for Copilot. What this means is that Copilot can now pull information from this tab to aid its functionalities, making it more contextually aware of what you're doing or researching. But wait, don't stop there. You can repeat this process for multiple pages, whether you're comparing products, researching for a project, or simply have a lot of interest to keep tabs on. Adding multiple pages can turn your Copilot into an even more powerful assistant, drawing information and cross-referencing from each tab you attach. After you've added all the tabs you need, you'll have the full capability to use contextual prompts. This is where the magic happens. With the tabs you've added, Copilot will dynamically pull information from each of these pages, enriching the answers and suggestions it provides you. The beauty of this is that you have a tool that's not just responsive, but also intelligently guided by the context you've chosen to provide. So, there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to add tabs for Contextual Copilot in Edge, thus amplifying its utility and your efficiency. Go on, explore, experiment with different combinations of tabs, and see just how resourceful your Copilot can become. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your browsing far more effective and enjoyable. Enjoy the newfound power of contextual browsing.